Welcome to pkpioneers.com tutorials.
So let me show you how to set up customer security levels. So let's first go over to the employee security area. And we have a security group here called seasonal. Let's go into that group, permissions, and let me go into the customers area. And notice here that there's a whole bunch of security level 1 permissions. And then if I continue to scroll down, security level 2 permissions, 3 permissions, and 4 permissions. And they're basically all the same permissions. So the first thing I want to do is, let's say that for this particular security group, let's say that they have all security level 1 permissions. This means that they will be able to view and accomplish these various tasks, permissions, for all security level 1 customers. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is also for security level 2 customers, let's say members of this security group can also view and perform tasks for security level 2 customers. So I'm basically just clicking all of these. Oops, I went a little too far. Now, for security level 2 customers, I'm going to deselect some very specific permissions here. So let me find them. So I'm looking for phone information. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I deselected phone permissions, so view phone 1 and view phone 2, as well as store credit. Here it is, view store credit. Oop, that's security level 3. It should be at the very top here. There it is. Okay, great. So to summarize, Retail Pro users that are part of this security group seasonal will be able to accomplish all these activities for security level 1 customers and perform all these permissions for security level 2 customers except view phone 1 and 2 and also store credit. So let's save this. I'm going to back out. I'm going to go into the customers area now, customers, and for this particular customer, let's assign her to security level 2. So I'm going to add that field. There it is. Perfect. So for Kim customer, she is now a security level 2 customer. Perfect. That means that if I'm part of the seasonal group, I should not be able to view phone information for Kim as well as store credit information for Kim. Now I'm going to back out. Now let's find out who is part of my seasonal group here. Let me go to form view. Looks like no one is, so I'm going to put Bobby over there. So Bobby is part of this group now. Let's make sure Bobby's not part of any other group. Great. So now Bobby is part of that seasonal group. So Bobby should not be able to see phone information and store credit information for security level 2 customers like Kim customer. Okay, so I'm going to log off. And I'm going to log on as Bobby. Perfect. So I'm logged in as Bobby, as you can see here. So let's go over to the customer area. And here's Kim customer. Look, the phone information is masked. And if I go to form view, go to this section, notice the store credit information is masked. That's basically security levels. You're able to control what users are able to see and do for specific customer records.
Please like, share and subscribe.